solve 2x squared minus 7x equals 15. We have a quadratic equation, so we want to use the principle of zero products. We need a 0 on one side of the equation. So the first thing we'll do is subtract 15 from both sides to get a 0 on one side of the equation. And we have 2x squared minus 7x minus 15 equals 0. Now we want to factor, so we factor this trinomial. We factor it into two binomials, and we're looking for factors that multiply to 15, and when we multiply this out, we would get a middle term of -7. We may use some trial and error, and we'd find that we want 2x plus 3 times x minus 5. Once this is factored, we use the principle of zero products and set each factor equal to 0. 2x plus 3 equals 0, or x minus 5 equals 0. And now we solve for x. Here we subtract 3 from both sides, and we have 2x equals -3. And then we divide both sides by 2, and we have x equals -3/2. Or, adding 5 to both sides, we have x equals 5. Again, if we checked each of these in the original equation, they would check. So we could say that the solutions are -3/2 and 5.